Amazing animals and their homes. Key vocabulary about animals and their homes. Beehive. Bees live in a hive. Burrow. Rabbits live in a burrow. Ocean. Fish lives in the oceans, rivers, and lakes. Nest. Birds live in nests. Anthill. Ants live in an anthill. Cave. Bears live in caves. Pond. Frogs live in a pond. Stable. Horses live in stables. Spider web. Spiders live in webs. Sentence practice, talking about animals and their homes. The bee lives in a hive. The bee lives in a hive. The rabbit lives in a burrow. The rabbit lives in a burrow. The bird lives in a nest. The bird lives in a nest. The fish lives in the ocean. The fish lives in the ocean. The ant lives in an anthill. The ant lives in an anthill. The bear lives in a cave. The bear lives in a cave. The frog lives in a pond. The frog lives in a pond. The horse lives in a stable. The horse lives in a stable. The spider builds its web. The spider builds its web. Amazing animals and their homes. See you next time.